Hey! Welcome back to the channel again, Wall Street English Westgate. I'm so glad to see you guys again. Hope you guys still remember me, Coach Dora. For this week's episode, we're going to be talking about the difference between interested, interesting, bored, boring. And if you're confused or don't know how to use it, you must watch it. You guys ready? Let's get started!
Hello. Yesterday I watched a movie and there was a lot of action, adventure, and explosions. And the movie was very excited or exciting. The movie was very exciting. So we use adjective with ing to talk about a thing or a person's characteristics. So the movie was exciting. I have a friend and he never likes to do anything. He only wants to stay home, sit in front of the TV, and he never goes anywhere. My friend is boring. My friend is bored. Say, my friend is boring. Right? It is his characteristic. He never wants to do anything. He is very boring. Okay? We use ed adjectives to describe how a person feels about something. There's a student and they have a big math test and they are taking the math test, but they don't understand any of the questions. The student is confusing or the student is confused. The student is confused. Right? That is how the student feels confused. I don't like sports. I don't like playing sports. I don't like watching sports. I just don't like sports. Can I say I'm not interested in sports or I'm not interested in sports? Say I'm not interested in sports. This is how I feel about sports. I am not interested.
Thank you for watching. Till next time.